Good morning guys and welcome back to our channel. So today I am here with a small Meesho haul. So before getting started with the video, let me first make you guys know what actually Meesho is. Meesho is an Indian origin social commerce platform where we can buy fashionable clothes and also accessories for everyone, for women, men as well as children. We can also buy household accessories for us. It is India's #1 reselling app where we can earn by sitting at home with 0% of investments. What we need to do is we need to share the products which are listed in the Meesho among our friends or network via Facebook or WhatsApp, and from there we can directly sell the items to our customers and have profit. And let's get started with the video. So first is this chicken curry kurti which I have bought for myself. So as you can see, it is finely stitched. You can see the handworks. It is so nicely stitched and it's fully transparent. So what we need to do is we need to wear some camisoles inside it, because there are many people or many girls rather who are very much uncomfortable to expose the parts. So for that reason we need to wear some camisole of the same color inside it, because it is fully transparent. As you can see that my hands are fully visible. So this is the kurti, and at the back side of it is some small designs. These are very neatly threaded, and I can show you inside it that these are the works which they have done. It's so nice. So all the products which I will be showing, I will give its particular code in the description box, so it will be very much beneficial for you guys. At Meesho provides no link, so you can directly go into the description box, copy the code in the Meesho app and get your respective products. So the next item is an anarkali which I have bought for my mother. So as you can see, the anarkali, the lower part of it has a ruffle detailing. It has works into it. The body is fully plain. The chest work is also very neat. I don't know whether the video is justifying the color to it or not, but it's cherry red. The handwork is like this. It is half sleeved, and this is the anarkali. So I have ordered it in the size L, which is 40. So you guys can order it according to your size and get it. It's really very nice and I recommend you to buy it, as it is really very gorgeous. You can wear it in any parties or any night events, because it's really very justifying and it will look really beautiful. The next item is an oxidized earring which I have bought for myself. I want to wear it whenever I will be wearing any kind of traditional outfit like a sari or for any kind of simple salwar, especially the chicken curry kurti which I have showed you in this video, the yellow one. It will go really nice with it as it is oxidized. So you can see guys, it looks so beautiful when you wear it, and especially it gives a cultural look into you. So I will recommend you guys to buy this one. This long earrings look damn special when you wear it. So the next product which I will be showing you guys is this beautiful oxidized neck piece. It's really very beautiful, and if you pair it with sari or for any salwar suit, then it will give an awesome look. It's very much traditional and we can wear it in any kind of traditional festivals like in the Durga Puja, especially in Ashtamis where we wear sari and go in the pandals to give Anjali, because it's our culture and we Bengalis are very much into this. And you can buy this one and you can see as it looks really very gorgeous. You can pair it with any kind of tank tops and it will give you a really very good finishing effect. So this is it guys, it was a small Meesho haul and this was my first video. So if I have made any mistake, please rectify me and forgive me. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to comment what you guys want to see next. Thank you and have a nice day.